Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Cadillac CT5, so let's get started. The 2023 Cadillac CT5 offers an excellent blend of performance and technology, culminating in a formidable 668 horsepower Blackwing. What type of car is the 2023 Cadillac CT5? With the CT5, Cadillac has a fast and sporty sedan that undercuts more expensive racers. They include the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, BMW 5 Series, and Acura TLX. It's good value for money, and the CT5-V Blackwing rocks in handling and acceleration. We give it a TCC rating of 6.8 out of 10. What's new for the 2023 Cadillac CT5? The CT5 line only sees a color change for 2023. Available in luxury, premium luxury and sport models, the CT5 is also offered in the Rorty CT5-V and CT5-V Blackwing variants. They all share a speedy look that isn't quite a sedan but misleads us at first glance. V trims don't boast about their sportiness like, say, the old Cadillac CTS-V. But rest assured there is power under the hood. The base model uses a turbo 4 that is good for use, although the 335 horsepower twin-turbo V6 or 360 horsepower in the base CT5-V model is an obvious temptation. All of these models use a 10-speed automatic transmission, which triggers quick and smooth shifts. All driving is optional. The CT5-V Blackwing is its own beast. Its 668 horsepower supercharged V8 is the most powerful engine installed in a Cadillac. The 6-speed manual is particularly good, although the 10-speed automatic works well here. All models offer exceptional handling and shifting features that mean the V model is ideal for everyday drivers. Fuel economy runs the gamut, from the mid-20s associated with the 4-cylinder to the horrendous in the Blackwing. The CT5 has a comfortable cabin, although it lacks the special touches that please its German and Swedish rivals. Still, the 10.0-inch touchscreen is undeniably easy to use and comes with reliable wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. From synthetic leather to many grades of genuine leather, the fabric options cover the front seats with a strong and comfortable feel. Rear drivers can get a bit more headroom though. The CT5 hits the basics when it comes to collision avoidance technology, with driver assistance features on the options list. Cadillac's Super Cruise system that allows for hands-free driving is available as an option on higher-end models, including the CT5-V Blackwing. How much does the 2023 Cadillac CT5 cost? The CT5 range starts just south of $40,000, but can quickly climb to more than $100,000 over the Blackwing trim. Even with a few options to drive, there can be a decent premium luxury model for $50,000 or less, but we can't blame anyone for taking a look at the godlike V-Type. Beautiful, sporty lines fit the Cadillac CT5 perfectly. Is the Cadillac CT5 a good car? This active design gets many parts right. We like its overall look and give it a 7 out of 10 on the TCC scale thanks to its interior and exterior. In profile, the CT5's tall roof gives off good hatchback vibes, but it's actually a sedan. Up front, a wide grille sweeps through the headlights that appear to reach the front wheels. The unusual curves behind the rear doors emphasize the hatchback look, which culminates in a small trunk lid. Wheel sizes range from 17 inches and up. The V models have beautiful lines but very little flexibility, making them a great sleeper. Inside, the CT5 has clean, consistent lines, but it's not bold. Still, the large 10.0-inch display sits atop a large panel of switches that look good. Trim finishes get better the more you spend, so consider investing in real leather and wood or carbon fiber trim. 2023 Cadillac CT5. Comfort and amp quality. The 2023 Cadillac CT5 has a nice interior, but the trunk is small. You might think that the Cadillac CT5's fastback profile would mean a big trunk. This is not true. Still, good front and rear seats lift this model up to 7 in the TCC rating. The front seat comes standard with many power adjustments. The standard seats available on the Sport and V models are better, although wider drivers may find them too soft. Rear passengers also enjoy comfortable space on the well-padded bench seats. The 11.9 cubic foot trunk is more like what we'd expect from a sports car than a sports sedan, so pack light. How bad is the Cadillac CT5? The 2023 Cadillac CT5 runs on crash avoidance technology and offers the latest in driver assistance, and a 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA works in its favor. So far, it's an 8 out of 10, although the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award will raise it higher. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, parking sensors and rear seat reminders are standard. Active lane control, adaptive cruise control and spot monitoring are available everywhere. Later in 2023, some configuration should be available on the new Super Cruise system that allows hands-free driving in certain ways. This option was briefly offered in 2021 before a semiconductor shortage saw it retired for 2022. 2023 Cadillac CT5 Plan. The 2023 Cadillac CT5 is a great value from base to roarty CT5-V Blackwing. The lineup starts with a Turbo 4 model and goes through twin-turbocharged V6 and supercharged V8 powertrains, and multiple trim levels mean there's a Cadillac CT5 for every need. We end up with 7 for value based on the car's excellent standard equipment and impressive infotainment system. A 4-year per 50,000-mile warranty meets luxury standards, and Cadillac will cover the first service visit. The CT5 starts at $39,590 for the luxury trim level, which includes power front seats, synthetic leather trim, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless compatibility, a 10.0-inch touchscreen, a 12.0-inch digital instrument screen and 18-inch alloy wheels. Which Cadillac CT5 should I buy? These cars have plenty of value, but the chassis is more functional than the CT5-V model. For $52,390, the base CT5-V isn't asking for much, although Cadillac is paying for a lot of paint, leather upholstery, headrests, and key fobs. Add this technology and the price can easily exceed $61,000. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for the next one.